Nicholas Ukachukwu, a former member of the House of Representatives, has won the All Progressive Congress governorship primary in Anambra State. The primary took place on Saturday, April 6, 2025. Ukachukwu received 1,455 votes, defeating his main opponent, Valentine Ozigo, who got only 67 votes. Other candidates in the race included John Bosco Onuko, who scored 26 votes, and Edoze Madu, who got 8 votes. Governor Basioto of Cross River State, who led the APC primary election committee, officially announced the results.
Whoever emerges, the whole party is going to fall behind that person in total support to make sure that he wins the election. We had Honorable Edozie Madu, who scored 8 votes. Please, I've said no victor, no vanquish, so we will clap for all the contestants. Honorable Minister. We have Honorable John Bosco Obina, who scored 26 votes. We have Honorable Valentine C. Ozigbo, who scored 67 votes. We have Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu, who scored 1,455 votes. With the powers conferred on me as the chairman of this primaries and the chief returning officer, I hereby declare Prince Nicholas Chukwujeku Ukachukwu, who have scored a total number of 1,455 votes, the winner of this particular primary.
In his victory speech, Ukachukwu thanked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC leadership for ensuring a free and fair primary. He also appreciates the support of the delegates and called on his fellow contestants to join in moving the party forward. Ukachukwu said he promised not to disappoint the party and the people as he prepares to face Governor Charles Soludo of the All Progressive Congress Grand Alliance, APGA, and the upcoming governorship election scheduled for November 8, 2025. This win means Ukachukwu will now represent APC in the general election later this year. Earlier, another aspirant, Umoeji Chukwuma, withdrew from the primary, saying he wants to build a stronger political movement in the state. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates on Anambra State governorship election.